Hi, welcome to Module 1. The point of this module is to basically review the material science that you would have covered in your Introduction to Material Science class as an undergraduate. And so I just want to make sure everybody comes up to speed and is on the same page with regard to material science. So we're going to start with the basics. We're going to talk about atomic bonding and structure within materials, talk about the differences between crystalline and amorphous materials, and review the different classes of materials we'll be discussing: metals, polymers, ceramics, and composite materials. Give you a little bit of a refresher on the concepts of diffusion and the importance of thermal energy to diffusion, because that controls so much of materials processing. Review mechanical properties of materials. We'll use these terms a lot. So a lot of this section is just about remembering the jargon or the terminology or the vocabulary of material science. So as you read the more advanced modules, you'll be able to follow them. So we'll go through stress-strain diagrams, tensile tests, and the various types of information you get from mechanical testing of materials. We'll talk a little bit about the importance of defects to materials, and in particular metals. And we'll even look at some phase diagrams, which you probably remember not so kindly from your undergraduate days in material science. And we're not going to do a lot of phase diagram work in the course, but I want you to be able to read them and understand them. We will then spend a little bit of time about polymers and the unique characteristics of polymers relative to the crystalline metals and ceramics. And at the end, hopefully, you'll have recalled all that material science you learned as an undergraduate and be ready to embark on the more advanced concepts that we'll cover in the rest of the units.